Hello, Assalamu alaikum, it's me Sabeena with my Module 2 Part 1 Initiative Update for the World Pulse Changemaker Lab Programme 2022. Lesson 1. Anna's presentation was very long at 45 plus minutes, yet incredibly informative. I wish this had been edited to focus on just the 4 powers worksheet. I'm getting older slower and my eyes can't focus on the screen for long periods of time, and I'm also struggling to write notes due to my shoulder surgeries. Despite all of this, I spent a good 4 to 5 hours working through the 4 powers worksheet. I think I could write a lengthy blog or play about all the powers. What I've realised is that power over is a power that is the most difficult to change, overcome and integrate. I don't want to sound like a pessimist, but I've been trying to conduct dialogue, interact, visit, invite all the above key stakeholders to include me in their work for the past 14 years, but to no avail. I will keep the momentum going and keep trying. Lesson 1, Part 2. Anna's video presentation lesson was much shorter at 15 minutes, and I thoroughly enjoyed learning about empowerment, particularly the Women's Empowerment Framework, which relates to my fair trade artisans and producers. I have posted the definition of empowerment in cursive handwriting. This definition has had an immense impact on me. I visualised each struggle, challenge and adversity I have had to face in my life. The word resilient was profound. I am resilient. Lesson 2. The Building Your Community presentation with Kirti was very informative, and I was very happy it was just under 15 minutes. In the session, I learned that to build your community, it is important to invite your community to contribute according to their skill set, the time they can volunteer, and the interest they have in your initiative. I loved Girti's quote and will use it next time I'm retailing my fair trade products. Girti Jayakumar. When community members get to contribute, they gain ownership over the campaign. I will use the above as motivational tools to move forward with my advocacy, fair trade campaigning, and will use these skills to ask my customers to use social media, write in my guest book and talk more about fair trade with their families and friends. Lesson 3. I must take this opportunity to comment on Ms. Zulma Miranda's voice. It was very soothing and a pleasure to listen to. I hope she can read my fair trade producer stories for my website. Although the lesson was approximately 16 minutes, there was a lot of information to absorb and digest. I did, however, manage to draft my partnership mission statement and complete my mapping partnership questions, scan the ecosystem exercise. I would like to learn more about the following partner mapping template, design a partnership outreach strategy, design a stewardship plan, and a partnership memorandum of understanding. I hope I can use one of the plans in my manuscript or video content. Lesson 4. This video presentation was about decision making. Thank you, Girti. I enjoyed this last video as it all made sense. I particularly enjoyed listening to your personal examples. Despite my weak eyesight, I will continue to use my social media handles to raise awareness for fair trade artisans. Thank you so much for being so patient and listening to my initiative update. I look forward to recording another initiative update for you soon. Take care. Bye for now. Walaikum assalam.